Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to play Farming Simulator 22 on PC. Start by installing the game and creating a save file, then pick a map and difficulty. Configure controls and graphics for smooth play, set your preferred key bindings, and decide on steering input. Learn to use the save manager, enable mods carefully, and check for updates to keep gameplay stable and enjoyable for long farming sessions. Farming Simulator 22 is about planning and timing your work throughout the season. Begin with simple tasks like plowing and sowing, then progress to fertilizing and harvesting when crops are ready. Use the vehicle handbook to learn implements and trailer connections and adopt basic routines for refueling and repairs. Keep an eye on the market and equipment leases to grow your farm without overspending and stay organized each in-game day. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more guides. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for long gaming marathons, seals tightly, and looks neat on your desk, perfect for spills and long missions. I put the link and deals in the description so you can check them out. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on efficiency to scale your farm faster and enjoy the game more. Use GPS and guidance systems to minimize overlap. Hire AI helpers for long routines, and choose equipment sized to your fields to save fuel and time. Rotate crops and invest in storage to sell at better prices, and test mod equipment in a separate save so you keep your main farm stable and profitable as you expand operations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.